Today I'll show you how to make roasted kabocha with soy maple butter. It's sweet, savory, and packed with umami. This is one of my favorite ways to eat kabocha. I'm using half of a smaller sized kabocha for my family, but you can easily double the recipe to feed a larger crowd. Remove the seeds and cut into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. You can cut larger or smaller, it's up to you. In a bowl, add melted butter, good quality maple syrup, olive oil, and soy sauce, and mix. Maple syrup pairs really well with soy sauce, just like mirin, which is a more traditional ingredient. Just toss the kabocha in and coat well with the butter mixture. Transfer to the baking sheet lined with a parchment paper and roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes total. Halfway through, gently stir and flip the kabocha once and cook until tender. Serve immediately. This is so easy and tasty. It's a perfect side dish for an everyday dinner or even for holidays. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。